Good morning, traders. Once again, I have a daily chart, and I told you we are in capitulation. This is bear market action. The NASDAQ 100, let me tell you, was down 1,200 points. Oh, yeah. And you can see that 200-day moving average. 1,200 points down in the NASDAQ 100. I classify it as the beginning of a bear market correction, as I said before, and I will say it again. Turbo option trading. This website has everything that you need. We call it before it happens. We have many programs that you can sign up for. We got gainers, we got losers, but listen, we talked about the fear breaking out higher. So when we gauge a market, capitulation, I call it a capitulation. Whenever you have a futures market that drops 1,000 points or more, it's classified a bear market capitulation downside move. And generally, we get bounces off of the bottom, and they do come ripping off of the bottom. However, once it starts, it doesn't mean it happens the first time. It can happen the second time. We will be updating everybody on the VIX, the fear indicator. They're peaking at all-time highs. Here is the fear indicator. Panic mode is in play. This is the fear. It's the VIX. Now, in the tech sector, it's called the VXN. Look at that breakout. Oh, yeah, that thing is breaking out this morning. Boy, is it ever. Let's get back to the futures market. Traders, let me tell you what. You're getting paid big money because why? You're short. We got gap downs. When I go through the gap down list this morning, service now, gapping down $50. We're short in OW. We're short a lot of tech stocks. Everybody knows it. And what I really want to focus on in this segment is the current valuation is we're down 846 points as we described and said herein. Now, if I were you, I would join. We work good together as a team. When stock markets fall, you get paid big money, and it's time for you to get that money.